this video, we're going to be breaking down the XRP USD chart, also known as Ripple. We'll start from the monthly time frame and work our way down. As you can see here, that XRP is now breaking out. We have moved from 23 cents all the way up to 78 cents so far. Let's mark off our levels on our monthly time frame. We have our monthly support, and we also have our monthly peak. Let's go to our weekly time frame. We can see that price created resistance, came back, tested this resistance, fell back low, then got above this resistance. Price came back to our monthly floor, monthly support, rejected, gave us a higher floor, closed higher. Then you can see here, market came back and tested this higher floor. Price then created resistance, minor resistance here. Broke above, pulled back here, and then pushed up. So we're going to highlight this level here as our weekly higher low. So let's label that. And this, which was the monthly ceiling, we'll also call our weekly higher high. So you can see here that price came back to that weekly. Let's move it all the way down to the wick. Do the same for the monthly. Okay, so price came back to our weekly higher low, attempted to break out, came back up for the retest, attempted to follow through, but failed. Let's zoom into the daily time frame. So when price came to our monthly floor, price created resistance. And I highlight the wick just to get the highest point of where price came to. So price gave us resistance here, tested this resistance, attempted to fall, but then price found support here and then pushed up, broke this resistance, came back, and then followed through. So once price did that on this time frame, I know that it's now time to look for buys. You can see that price came back above our weekly higher low, attempted to break out here, failed, pushed higher, and let's bring this all the way down to the wick. So price broke out of our first resistance, came back above our weekly higher low, pulled back, pushed higher again, came back to our floor, pushed higher again. Let's zoom in. We could see that price was pushing through here, pull back, push through further, stopped right here, and then on this doji candle, price pulled back all the way down here and pushed back up all the way up here. So seeing that that's on my daily time frame, this is the pullback that I use for my daily higher low. Now this is advanced trading, so if you don't understand the concepts, just keep following along. But I do have a course where I teach exactly how I trade. So price came back up here, pull back, gave me this daily higher low. So I know I'm in an uptrend on the weekly time frame because my weekly higher low is respected. And now I'm in an uptrend on this daily time frame, giving me this higher low and higher high. You can see here now that price attempted to break below our daily higher low. So once price got below, price then created this level of support with these wicks. Now with the wicks, these are the levels that the banks are buying. So when price created this level here, price pushed off. But the reason why price couldn't go any higher is because we had this resistance. So price pushed, tested this resistance, respected the resistance. So the sellers, seeing that this resistance was respected, they thought that the price was going to break out and push lower. That's why we had this fake breakout here. So by the time the price pushed out here, pulled back a little and gave you this candle here, a lot of sellers entered their buys right here. After realizing that this is our daily higher low, price broke out, created support, came back to test this support, and then on a smaller time frame, price would have transitioned and maintained floors pushing up so that you would know that this is not a sell. Let's go back in time and I'll show you. And I'll go to my H1 time frame. So from what I can see here, price came back to this level, and let's hit play. Let's just pause here and look that price pushed here, pulled back here, pushed here. So this is our previous level of support. So this level of support was now broken, and this is where a lot of the sellers, where I showed you on that H4 time frame, where a lot of those sellers would have gotten in the market. But on this time frame, you'll see that price wicked out here and created a level of support. On doing that, let's hit play. Price had resistance here. We broke above our resistance, retested, and then now we pushed higher. From what you can see here, this was our last level right here, our last level of support, pushing price higher. So this is just to show you that when this move happened here on the H4 time frame, on a smaller time frame, it would have shown you that it's not a sell. It would have shown you that price is respecting this daily higher low because price attempted to break out but transitioned back to an uptrend. Let's exit this now. So back at that daily higher low, price pushed up, pulled back, followed through. Then price gave us support right around here. Price came back, tested it, came back, tested again, got above, and now this is how we have rallied up all the way to almost 80 cents. So at the end of the day, the price came back to our weekly higher low, maintained, and pushed up on our daily time frame. So we could expect to take price back to our weekly higher highs. Now, we do have different resistance levels on the way up. We have 1, 2, 3. Let's zoom in here. Okay, let's take the highest point here. And once we can get above these levels, we're clear to go all the way back to the highs. So I'll just be watching the charts on my H4 time frame, making sure that my supports are being respected. And if my supports are being respected, I can just expect price to keep pushing higher and higher. So price has now created support, came back, test this moving average, then created support at this level. Now we're back pushing up. Let's drop to a smaller time frame and see how that looks. So price pushed from this level to this level, came back here, stopped, pushed up, so support was created here. Then price came back, tried to break below the support, wicked out, wicked out, wicked out, push higher. So price pushed from here to here and gave us this leg. Then price pulled back, came back to this leg, came back to this floor, pushed up, then came back again, but respected this zone. So when price respected this zone, we never had a breakout to the downside, so price will continue pushing up. Even on a smaller time frame, I could break this down. On my M1, price created the level, came back down to the level, broke out of our momentum trend line, created support, tested that support, once, twice, 3 times before pushing off and giving us this new leg. So now I'm looking to at least take price back to the highs. And if we could get above this resistance level, then we're looking to take price to the next resistance level. So this here is at 79 cents, 79.5 cents. The next level is at 96.769. Once we get above that, then we're looking at $1.09, then $1.19. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll post more videos every day, and we'll all stay in tune with XRP. I hope this was helpful for you. And if you need any more information on learning how to trade Forex, just visit my website at universaltradinggroup.com. Link below. I also post Forex Signals. And if you want to join the Forex Signals group, visit the website and then click on Signals. universaltradinggroup.com. Thank you guys, and I'll see you later.
Hey, this is Latanya. I'm coming from Louisiana. I'm here just finished a course with Universal Trading Group. From day one, I've learned so much. I'm going back home to Louisiana with so much confidence after taking this course, after doing the back test, and after going through everything we went through. I recommend this course to anybody who want to take their trading game to the next level, and I'm appreciative for this course. Thank you.
Thank you.